guys, welcome today in additional with extra Sudokus in today's newspaper of Friday. Yes, it's Friday, December the 11th, almost weekend 2020. We have here 8 extra Sudokus. Sudoku with a 1-star, Sudoku with 2 stars, with 3 stars, with 4 stars, 1 tectonic with 1 star, 1 tectonic with 4 stars, binary number 1, and a binary number 2. Total of 8 extra Sudokus. And this edition will be special because we have 2 Sudokus to go, and we will reach the milestone of 2,000 Sudokus, 2K uploaded to YouTube. Yes, 2,000. Wow. In almost 2 years. Yes. I won't do all 8 Sudokus. I only do or solve 4 of them. Sudoku with 3 stars, Sudoku with 4 stars, 1 tectonic and 1 binary I will do. And the first Sudoku in this additional I will solve will be the Sudoku with 3 stars. This will be number 1999. Yes, special song of Prince, 1999. Yes, and this Sudoku has 25 printed digits. I have already counted. Alright, so let's get started. In this big square, wait, let me see. No, wrong strategy. Let me see. How about a 3 in this row, a 3 in the second row. So the row above the first row, the only place for a 3 should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Let me zoom this out. Focus, yes, alright. Focus. All right. Then I cannot continue with that bell. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these 3 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 3 boxes. So the 3 could be here or could be there. So we have a 3 in the third column, a 3 in one of those 2 boxes in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the last column, so the column between. The only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9s in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. Then. In this column, the second column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8s in these 3 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see there an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8 in this column, no 8 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left with 8 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for an 8 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 8. Well, yeah, okay. How about the number? Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see therefore no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So in the last column, we have a 4 over there. In this column, yes. In the column next, we have a 4 in one of those two boxes. Yes. So in that column, the only 3 boxes left for the 4 should be here, here, or there. We see therefore no 4 there, here 4, no 4 there. The only place for a 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So in the column next, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see therefore no 4 there, 4 should be there. Then yes, 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5. 2 and a 5. So in this big square, the 2 and the 5 cannot be in these two boxes. 2 and the 5. So the 2 and the 5 goes in those two boxes. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 2 goes there. These two boxes are reserved for the numbers 9 and 6. 9 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 9 goes there. And we have a pair, 6 and a 9 in this row, 6 and a 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the 6 and a 9 goes in these two boxes, 6 and a 9. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. That means one box left in the last row for the number 1. Alright, 3 missing numbers now. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see there 7, no 7 in these two boxes. One box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column, so in the first column. Only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be there. 7 in the third row, 7 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. 2 boxes left in this column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 7 is missing. Let me mark those because I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. The other pair should be the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. These 2 missing numbers in this big square are the numbers 1 and 6. 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. Pair, so I mark them for you. Alright, so we have a 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only place for a 2 should be there. Then. Oh, I see here 1 there 1. This is a mistake. This cannot be 6 and a 9. We have a 9 here. What a mistake is this? Can't believe this. This should be 6 and 7 should be 6 and a 7. How about this one? 6 and a 7. Oh, I made a mistake here. 6. This could be also 1. And this can also be wrong. Oh, made the mistake. How can I make a big mistake? Let me use the correction pencil. Wow. I overlooked this 9. So this cannot be a 9. anymore. Wow, this is not good. We have a 9 here. This should be a 4, I believe. Then yeah, this should be a 4. And this maybe is also incorrect. So this 7 could be also incorrect. I have noticed this, so incorrect. Ooh, yeah. Alright, I hope I have corrected all the numbers. Alright, 6 should be here. Alright, so the 7 and the 1 are missing. Alright, so this should be a 4. I've noticed this on time, yes. So we have a 4 in this row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 4 could be here, could be there. Here also 4 in this row, 4 in the second row, so the row below the third row, the only 3 places for the 4 should be here, or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 could be here, could be there. We have an 8 in this row, an 8 in the first column, so no 8 in these 3 boxes or those 3 boxes, so the 8 could be here, could be there. Woo! Alright, here's supposed to be 5, yes. 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 could be in one of those 3 boxes. So we have a 5 in one of those 3 boxes. In the third row, we have a 5 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And then 5 in this column, 5 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 3 places for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there. 5 could be here, could be there. Alright, 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so the middle row, the only 2 places for the 5 could be here, could be there. Alright. 1 is missing, 9 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. Alright. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 6. We see there 6, no 6 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. The 1 is missing in this big square, the 9 is missing in this big square, and the 8 is missing in this big square. We see here the 8 and the 9. So no 8 and a 9 in this box. So 1 digit left should be the 1. The 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 9 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 1 box left in this big square for the number 1. Alright. 1, 6 and the 5 are missing. 1, 6 and 5. Yes, 3 missing numbers in the second column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 6 and the 5. 1, 6, 5. We see here 6 and a 5, so no 6 and a 5 in this box. The 6 and the 5 goes in these 2 boxes. 6 and a 5, we see there 5, no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 6 goes there. 1 box left in the second column for the number 1. Then these 2 boxes should be the 9 and the 7. Those 2 boxes should be the 4 and the 6. Cannot feel this yet. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 7. 1, 9. Alright. 19. Yes. 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2, 2. Yes. 8 in this row. 8 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes here. 8 in this column. 8 in that column. So the middle column, the only two places for the 8. Could be here, could be there. 1, 7 is missing. Yes, 7 is missing in this big square. We see there 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for a 7 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 2, 1 and the 2. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. So these two numbers in the last row, the 6 and the 1. So I've made a good correction. 1 box left in this row. This should be the 7. Yes, still be the 7. Alright, so we have here 2 missing numbers, the 7 and the 9 in the first row. I can remember. Now we have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 was correct, and this should be a 9. Alright, 2 numbers left in this column. 1, 2, the 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, and the 7 is missing. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle column, the 8 and the 8 and the 6 is missing. 8 and a 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 here. I've marked those 2 boxes with 8. We have an 8 here, so this cannot be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So we have a 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place for a 5 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 4. 2 boxes left, the 4 and the 6 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. Now we have a 6 here, so this can't be 6 anymore. This should be the 6, and this should be a 1. 2 boxes left in the first column. 1, 2. The 3 is missing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and a 9. 3 and a 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so the row below. The only place for the 9 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square, the 1 and the 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 box left, 2 boxes left in this big square, 1 and a 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Finish in 18 minutes with a mistake. I have corrected on time. I'm very pleased. 18 minutes. Do you think so? Or you like this Sudoku? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and I will see you in a few minutes with the Sudoku number 2000. Yes, a milestone celebration. See you then. Bye bye for now.